Hello. Thanks for calling New Hair, New Makeup Hostess. Oh, yeah, you definitely have the wrong number. Thank you so much. You have a great one. Yeah, goodbye. Tried it. Let me just break it down. I was feeling a little boring, a little burned out. So I said, you know what? Let's spice it up a little. And what works better than a new hair color? Yes, get into it. Lips and eyeshadow look. So without further ado, let's get right into this makeup look. Bam. So let's go ahead and get started. Everything is pretty much the same. I'm going to outline my brows with the P.LOUISE base, and I mixed two of the bases together. You see underneath my eyes it's a little darker than the one that I'm putting on the lid, and then I'm just going to blend it all out just to make a very smooth base. It's just like priming a wall. Super simple. Perfection, yes. So we're just gonna let this dry a little bit so that we can get the best coverage, the best pigment with this eyeshadow. And so I'm starting with the Love Struck from the P.LOUISE eyeshadow palette, Secret Center. I love this palette. It's everything. You do not have to work as hard, so that's one thing I do love about it. And so to me, this look is like, I needed this look so bad for fall. Like this hair color, everything was a must. Like I was so over my same old black hair. Sometimes I'll do my blonde, not anything crazy. So I'm stepping out. Like this color was very uncomfortable for me. But then I said, you know what? Why not? Like, I'm not going to let anything stop me. Like this is a new, if COVID can come in, Corona can come in and get us uncomfortable, Bianca finna do the same thing, okay? So you just watch out. This is just the beginning. So I'm super excited about this new stepping out there, Bianca. Have you all tried any new looks, any colors that you were very uncomfortable with? Please share your thoughts below. Okay, so let me get back to this tutorial. Let's go ahead and blend this S&M from the P.LOUISE palette out. Just blend it in, just so that you don't see any like harsh lines. And so I'm just tapping it really soft. Now we're getting into the halo eye, and so that is my trick with looking all the way up, putting that base or that primer on your eyelid and looking all the way up. That lets me know how far I need to go up so you can still see it with my eyes open. As you see, I really had to take my time here. I lifted my eye up so that, because my eyes are a little hooded, not too much, but they are hooded. I'm gonna lift my eye, I lift it up so that, oh my goodness, this felt like it took me so long, like so long. But at the end, I was pleased with the results. So, if it takes you a minute, it's okay. It's okay. You're not on anyone else's time, so you are good to go. Go ahead and blend the base out and let it dry. Normally I'll have a fan to fan it a little bit to dry it, but yeah, just let it dry down before adding your color. as you see, I'm adding my Love Struck back into my eyes just to make that halo effect. I really love, love, love this. And so, yes, just make it pop and do it to your liking. I'm adding the S&M just like I did at the top of my eyelid. I'm just going to use those same colors. Now I'm adding the P.LOUISE shimmer. I was not able to find this on the website. I don't think they have it anymore, but you can do your research. I love the shimmer. It just really gave it all the color that I need, that pop, that halo effect. I really, really love this primer, and I use it for everything. So I mean, it's a small little tube of it, but it goes really, really far. So if you can find any type of shimmer to go on the lid, that'll be perfect. This is another product that I was not able to find out. I have no clue. I just remember I ordered it off Amazon. I do not have a name on it. It came with a lot of different little ones, different colors, but I just thought it would be perfect on the lid, and it did give it that extra pop. So if I can find it, I'll definitely leave it below, but I definitely tried already. So hopefully I can, but if not, forgive me. Now I'm adding my L'Oreal mascara. I love to add a mascara before I put my lashes on so that you do not see all that shadow that probably got into them. So this is very helpful when making sure your lashes pop and you don't actually see the color and all the eyeshadow underneath your lashes. And here I'm just adding some more eyeshadow. Sometimes I just wanted to pop more. So if you feel like you need an additional pop, put as much as you need. Like, you know, put as much as you need. I really love this red. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. And it's drama, and I'm extra, so we go hand in hand. Now I'm ready to add my liner. It wasn't the best liner, but I wanted to use it just to give you all options. e.l.f. is a really, good price. And so, yes, and of course, this is my Wet and Wild brown that I love. $1. Yes, yes, yes. Simma brown. Yes, yes, yes. So I love. So, of course, my brows were trying to give me a hard time, which we are not going. So I'm going back and forth like looking, oh my God, do they look like twins or cousins twice removed? It's foundation time. So yes, of course, I'm using my NARS Radiant. This is my full coverage foundation that I love, love, love. And I'm just gonna blend this out with my brush. Get to blending, blending, blending. I'm using my NARS foundation on top to outline the top of my brows as well. Just makes it really, looks a little more natural to me. So I want to try this with this look because I'm doing bold everywhere else. I wanted to give it a natural look on top of those brows. I'm using my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It gives me that full coverage underneath my eyes that I need. I actually love how it applies, so easy. So it is one of my go-to concealers for sure, especially for underneath the eye. And you see how I made the eyeshadow pop? Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. And when I think that baking is one of my favorite steps, blending with the sponge is like I take everything back that I said. This has to be one of my really favorite steps. Like it just makes me feel like I'm almost there. And the sponge, to me, I'm starting to like them more than the brush. I think because I've been using the brush so long, I really forgot how difficult it was when I first started to use the brush. So I think I'm getting back into the feel of my sponge. Let us not take this sponge for granted though. You still need to make sure you blend everything out. It is a lot easier for you, but you definitely have to get in there. Get in there to make sure it's smooth like a baby's butt. Okay, so it's my Sasha Butter Cup time. Love baking. It just depends on how I feel. I may go heavy on the switches, and sometimes I may just go super light. But this time I'm going for dramatic look, so you know what we're doing. So I started using the Morphe bronzer in the shade Leader, and when I tell you I am in love, yes, it gives you the soft. It's not as harsh as a contour, of course, but it still gives you that effect, and then it's softer. It's a natural. And although I'm going for this drama look, bold look, I definitely want it to be, bringing that warmth back into my face, but not too harsh. Let's go ahead and dust all of the excess powder away. Yes, dust it away. We've done baking. So let's get into our next step, which is coming up, and that is what is our next step? What are we doing next? Who knows? We're probably going to contour slash bronze that nose to act like we're doing something. Yeah, let's go ahead and bronze that nose. And this was my first time using a bronzer to actually semi-contour my nose, and I like it. I like it a lot. I really do. After using all that powder, the spray pushed me through every single time. Don't forget your spray. You want your makeup to last. Now that our face is ready and dry, we're ready to add our highlighter. And I'm pretty soft on the highlight, but she gets us through. She really pushes. I love, love, love. Okay, and the blush is also, the highlight and blush both are from the Morphe palette, which I love, love. I just love Morphe products, period. Okay, so back to the P.LOUISE palette, and we're adding our same colors underneath our eyes. So that we use the darker red, the Love Struck, and then we'll go into Obsession, and then we'll go into S&M. So of course I'm super extra makeup extra, and I just had to, so I popped the S&M shadow, then I put the shimmer on top, and then I said, why not, let's just add some bling to it, and I add a little bit of glitter. So that really gave it the pop that I needed. So it's almost time. Let's take this hair down. Let's get into it. I am too excited. We are too geeked. I mean, I did not know how it was going to turn out, but I'm super excited because it turned out good. Oh yeah, girl, get that hair. Yep, pull it down. Yeah, there we go. We talking. Okay, I see you, girl. I see you. You better work. Okay, yes, honey. If you are still here, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like the video so that I can make more content just like this. And if you have any colors that you would like me to try, drop them below. Matter of fact, drop the colors below. Drop the color heart emoji that you would like me to try. And I'm down for the challenge. Hey, I'm down for the challenge. So yes, I'm super excited about this new journey of dramatic looks. I'm here for it. Check the eyes, check the eyes. You too can make this look. If you enjoyed it, go ahead, please let me know your thoughts below. And once again, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, goodbye.